Hey, can you imagine I got flax seeds and I thought it was for my face, and it is not for my face. Apparently it is for lowering
diabetes, arthritis, cancer, and heart disease. I'm just excited because I've got it. I'll just be using it for.
What can I do with it? What can I do with it? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification button. And today I'm going to be unboxing this item I got from Jumia. I hope you enjoy. So I want to show you what I got, and it is just skincare essentials and I love it so much. So I'm just opening it. This is just the receipt. So let me grab a scissors and I'll be back. So I'm back with the scissors. So just wanna cut the package, to open the package, and here I go. So I have here, let me put on this earphones so that I can hear. So I have these earphones, moringa and neem shea acne soap. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. It is from Femi Organics and I got it. It is from Jumia, as I said, and I just want to open it and see. Oh, it has a color thing there. Just see it. Oh yeah, color thing there. Yeah, it is actually nice. Smelling, I don't know, it is smelling something like just green something. So that is my first. And neem shea acne soap costed 388. So that is my first item. I just got, I think, 3 of them. And see the packaging. I love the packaging. I love the fact that Jumia delivered these things in like it took, I think, 3 days or 4. Yeah, 4 days. Yeah. So this, I've just opened them. Can you see? Oh, so this is neem oil. So I think I don't know. Let me see the instructions. So it is antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory to help reduce redness, swelling, and pain associated with acne outbreak. So my skin, I have problem in my skin. I think it is acne and the pimples. I've been trying to deal with it, but I don't know. So I wanted to buy something to like cut the acne. So I think this neem oil will help. Neem oil costed 299 bob in help. And then I have these flax seeds. I don't know how to use them, but I have it. Flaxseed and micronutrients, dietary fiber, helps lower the risk of use and adding. It is for adding to my food. I thought it was something for the face. Okay, and this one, so it is for lowering the risk of their diabetes. I don't have diabetes. I thought it was something. This flax seeds costed me 199 bob. And I have this one is activated charcoal. Yeah, I want like to be putting a mask on it, so I think I'll just be adding water to it. So it is activated charcoal, reduces
Absorptions of poisonous substances up to 60% internally. A mix of charcoal and baking soda on the skin draws toxins out from insect bites. Use a brush. Use to brush your teeth to weten them. Use. Okay,
I bought them for my face, not for internal, not for, yes. Activated charcoal costed 199. I'm done with the overall unboxing of the Jumia products. So I love them. So I am happy about this one and this one. I'm also happy about this one, but maybe can use it to brush, maybe, but it is just for masking my face. And this one I'll be using in my food, maybe boiling it and drinking the water. I don't know how it tastes, but I'll just do it. So that's it for today. So let me show you once again. Neem oil, activated charcoal, and flax seeds, and moringa and neem acne shea soap. So this one is just for washing my face. I don't usually wash my face with soap. I just wash with water and just wipe my face, and because I don't want to like spoil it more, so I think I'll start using this one, and I'll be taking through the process and to see the changes that it makes. Okay, thank you so much for sticking by. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and click on the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much, and you can watch more videos of mine. And please don't forget also to comment. Thank you so much. Be blessed.